Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As my lessons continue to work through the ABRSM Grade 3 Discovering Music Theory workbook, my lessons now move on to Chapter 7, looking at the subject of tonic triads, and now we build a chord of 3 notes on all of the scales that we've learned so far in all of grades 1, 2 and 3, working in major and minor keys of up to 4 sharps and 4 flats. The full lesson can be found on my Patreon channel. If you go to patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you'll find everything you need right there, and you can find links to this lesson in the cards and in the description box below. After this short little video, you'll find sample examples of this lesson to show you how I work with you step by step through every single exercise. Once you feel that you are ready to take your ABRSM Grade 3 Music Theory exam, I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and techniques on how to be best prepared for your exam, and also how to make the very best use of your time when you're actually taking the exam. This book is available from Amazon in either ebook format or as a paperback book, and you can find links to this in the cards and in the description box below. You can also find all the information that you need on my website. If you go to www.sharonbill.com, you'll find everything you need right there. Enjoy your studies. Bye. We know that F minor is related to A flat major, which has a key signature of B flats, E flats, A flats, D flats. We're in the treble clef, and here is indeed the tonic F, first, third, fifth. However, F minor must have an A flat here. In actual fact, what we've got is F major. So F major only has B flats, which doesn't come into the tonic triad, first, third, fifth. But the A, when it's in the minor key, is flattened because the key signature now needs to be active on that note. So actually what we have here without the flat is an F major, so that's incorrect. And then here in the bass clef we have a tonic of A flat, and so it's got to be A flat major, because although it shares the same key signature as F minor, our tonic here is A flat, so it has to be A flat major, and then A flat major, just to double check all the thinking through, even though we just answered this, the key signature is B flats, E flats, A flats, D flats, and that will explain the A flat and the E flat represented from the key signature. And so we know that G minor is related to B flat major, which has a key signature of B flats and E flats. We're in the treble clef, that's a G, B, D, and so the B must be flattened in accordance with the key signature here. And so F minor, first of all, let's just make sure we've got the correct blobs, as it were. So we know it needs to be the first, the third, and the fifth. So we need to have the tonic, F, G, A, B, C. We need to have an F something, an A something, and a C something. In the bass clef, here we have the F, here we have the A, and so we need the fifth adding. And of course, F minor is related to A flat major, which has a key signature of B flats, E flats, A flats, D flats, and the A is flattened for us, the C isn't affected, and so that's now complete. So if we make sure we've got 1, 3, 5, and then we make sure any accidentals that are appropriate from the key signature are then added in. So E flat major, of course we need a first, third, fifth, we need an E something, F, G, B something. So we can see there's our F, A, C, E, G, B properly placed on the stave, and now we need to make sure we got all of the accidentals. E flat major has a key signature of B flats, E flats, A flats. There's our E flat, E, G, B. That B also needs to be flattened to properly use up the key signature where appropriate.